Hi, I'm Paula. I'm a registered nurse here at Essentials Wellness Med Spa in Brentwood, Tennessee. And today I want to talk with you about this term microneedling. Microneedling is a process or a treatment creating micro injuries in the skin using small needles. It helps with skin tightening, it rejuvenates the skin, it can actually reduce acne scarring, fine lines and wrinkles. It's great for hyperpigmentation, brown spots, and it really promotes the rejuvenation of collagen and elastin in the skin. So there are all kinds of different forms of microneedling, and you may have heard words like Derma Roller, Derma Pen, Micro Pen, Microneedling Pen. There's all kinds of different terms out there, and basically there are two main ways of doing microneedling, and they're quite different. The first way is with a Derma Roller. There are companies that allow you to purchase this for at-home use. It's basically a handle with a spinning wheel on it, and the wheel is covered in needles. Oftentimes up to 200 needles on the wheel. They're usually stainless steel. And the way that it's used is to basically roll across the skin. And as it rolls across the skin, those needles are pressing into the skin and creating micro injuries. The other term you might hear, micro pen, microneedling pen, derma pen, is apparatus like this, and it's run electronically. And the difference between these is kind of dramatic. One important thing to know is that if you use this at home, it's not a sterile procedure. You're not sterile. You can spray this with antibacterial spray and things like that, but it's not actually sterile. This, however, is a one-time use sterile piece of equipment that can only be used in a medical spa or a doctor's office. Both create channels. However, a dermal roller, if you think about it, as it's rolling into the skin, the needles are exiting, they're entering both ways at an angle. And what happens is it actually can create a micro tear, which is a little bit more traumatic to the skin. When you're having a microneedling pen that's electronic, it actually is going into the skin straight. There isn't an angle. It's going into the skin straight and creating a channel. And when it does that, it's going to stimulate the collagen even more. The other big difference between these two items is this has 200 needles, and this one has 32 gauge stainless steel needles, but this goes up to 17,000 RPMs and can actually insert 15,000 micro injuries per square inch. So you'd have to do a lot of manual rolling with this in order to achieve the results that you would have with the electronic pen. The pens that are used in a doctor's office or a medical spa are adjustable, and they're usually 0.25 to 2.75 millimeters deep. So for severe scarring or deep wrinkles, we try to go a little bit deeper to try and get a more dramatic result. Another benefit of the micro pen, the tip is so much smaller, so in order to get close to the nose, the eyes, the upper lip, it's a lot more effective and can get a lot closer than something of this size. You just can't get into those crevices that we sometimes have, especially up under the eye. So here at Essentials, we really like to promote the use of PRP with our microneedling procedure. So PRP is platelet-rich plasma, and in the procedure, I would draw 22 milliliters of your blood, put it in a special centrifuge just to create PRP, and take that platelet-rich plasma and do a mask over the top of all of those micro injuries. And what it does is it actually penetrates into those channels. It goes right down through that epidermis to stimulate that collagen and elastin. PRP has platelets in a concentration over 5 times greater than in the bloodstream. And platelets are absolutely amazing. When there is an injury caused, there's a chemical reaction going on, and they're sending out signals to the troops to come in and do some healing. and they're attracting macrophages and osteoblasts and fibroblasts and all these cells in order to regenerate new collagen and new elastin cells. And it is absolutely amazing. It's one of my favorite things because it's natural. It comes from our body. And I, of course, as a nurse, am just always amazed at our human body and the ability to heal. So what's the advantage of doing PRP? Why do I love it so much? When you have a microneedling treatment, it's amazing. You actually boost your collagen and elastin by 200%. If we add platelet-rich plasma as a mask over those areas where we've created thousands upon thousands of channels for that PRP to penetrate, you'll actually have a collagen and elastin boost of 1000%. So both are effective at rejuvenating the skin. It's just that you get 800% more with PRP.